Welcome to Layn University. My name's Conrad Layn. Layn Credit University. My name is Conrad Layn. I'm going to share shortly how to request your free annual credit report. It's really easy to do. I left a link below. By federal law, you've been allowed to actually request your free annual credit report annually. Pretty cool. The link's right below, and I'm going to share the screen on how to do this. You'll want to do this because this is a great way to gut check and check your credit score. Make sure there's no accounts on your credit report that aren't yours or that are yours, and you want to make sure you know what's going on with your credit report for absolutely free by federal law below. Follow the screen through. I'm going to show you how to do this really quick. Follow me through. Here's the annualcreditreport.com. It's pretty simple. I left the link below in the video description. Absolutely free. This will give you your annual credit report annually, and it just lets you know exactly where you're at, what's on your report, what's not on your report. Very important to do this. Highly recommend do this annually. Look at this. Your free annual credit report does not include credit scores, but it does give you the credit information. Go to press request credit reports, and voila, that's it. You just put in your name, birthday, social security number, you verify it, address, and you're done, people. That's about it. That's how simple it is. Anyways, love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Follow me on Instagram, Conrad Layn. Conrad Layn out, and follow the link below to get your free annual credit report. That's required by law. Conrad Layn out.